So now we were here. Okay, I just Control A, select everything and delete it. We can draw already available fragments on this software. We have atoms here. Next one is rings. If you click on rings, there are structures which are already available. You need not draw one by one them. You can simply click on the structure, right click on the screen, you will get your structure. Centralize it, selection tool, and that's it. So here is the benzene. Right, let's see other molecules. Delete this. We can select, let's say, cyclohexane. Right click here and that's it. It's done. You can see, rotate it. So this is a chair form. Right, we have boat form also here and other so many useful structures which are already there. So let's take benzene again. Control A and delete. I select benzene, right click, selection tool, again right click on the screen. So here is the benzene. If I want to make change in any of the atom, I will select that atom and right click on that, change atom. I can change this atom to any of the atoms available in this list, or we can go to periodic table. Let's say I am changing it to carbon sp3. Right, this is now carbon sp3, and because it is carbon sp3, I am supposed to remove this double bond. Right click on this, make it single. Also right click on this, make it a single bond. Right, here it is. I need to add hydrogen, so that this is actually a sp3 hybridized carbon atom with tetrahedral structure. Now because the double bond has been removed from these positions, these bonds cannot be delocalized anymore. I can convert it to double bond and double bond. Right, okay, so this carbon again has to be change atom sp3, and this should be a single bond and add one more hydrogen. So this way, and this has to be a single bond. So here is a molecule which we have changed a little bit as per our requirements. This way you can make changes to any of the atoms. If I want to replace any atom by another atom, these white one are hydrogens, the gray ones are carbon. I will simply click on that carbon atom, right click. I can change this atom to any of the atoms, like let's say N, nitrogen. All right. So in nitrogen, you have different options. Sorry. Change atom, sp2 nitrogen. Here trigonal, non-aromatic and aromatic. So it is a non-aromatic one. Here is the nitrogen. Again, you are supposed to add hydrogens to this nitrogen to satisfy the valency. Here is the molecule. So this way you can change any of the atoms. Let's say I am changing this to oxygen. Change atom, oxygen sp2. Again aromatic, non-aromatic. Let's say non-aromatic. And here is the oxygen. If hydrogens are required, you can click on this, and there is no requirement of the hydrogen on this oxygen atom. So here is the molecule. This way you can change any of the atoms. You can label again all the atoms in this. Label all. It is showing the number of carbon atoms, hydrogens, nitrogen and oxygen. Thank you.